Leetcode Daily Challenge. It is a medium problem today, 3217. Delete nodes from linked list present in array. The standard operation to remove a node from a linked list needs two steps of operation. Say we want to remove node number 2 from this list. The two operations will be: first, we update this next, and we have to remove this next, then repointing the next of node 1 to the node of 3. So to achieve this, we need two pointers. The first pointer we have to pointing to the previous node or the node before this number 2. We also need another pointer pointing to the current node, which is the one we are going to remove. With these two pointers, that's how we can update the previous next and the current next, and to remove this node and update the linked list as a new linked list. Two pointers. For this specific problem, we also have to be careful about some edge cases. Say, what if it is empty linked list? Or what if the head node has to be removed? With all these considerations, it should be good to go. This is a pretty straightforward solution. there is a time limit exceeded. I assume this is because while going through all the nodes in this linked list, we are checking if the value are in the number list or not. There's another way to do this is we turn this list to a set that could improve the complexity.